12 healthy foods to lose weight. If you feel like you're making smart moves to lose weight, but the scale isn't moving the way you want, your diet may contain some sneaky foods that can lead to water retention, salt, and a higher calorie intake. Start by cutting back on ultra-processed foods, bubbly drinks, gum, and sugary beverages that can increase bloating. Number 1. Peanut butter. Peanut butter packs 8 grams of protein and up to 4 grams of fiber per serving, making it an ideal snack to help you fill up and stay satisfied. Peanuts contain L-arginine, an amino acid that works to improve blood flow throughout your body by helping blood vessels relax, all of which can help to mitigate fluid retention. Number 2. Chickpeas. They're filled with fiber and plant-based protein, as well as immune-boosting antioxidants and bloat-busting minerals. Chickpeas easily go in soups, stews, salads, and side dishes. Plus, chickpea flour is a great baking alternative for a more nutrient-dense and filling end result. Number 3. Pumpkin. With more fiber than quinoa and more potassium than a banana, pumpkin puree is one of your best bets for snacking and cooking purposes. Try this the next time you're craving sweets. Add pureed pumpkin to unsweetened Greek yogurt with cinnamon and chopped pears for a nutritious dessert. Number 4. Peas. A cup of peas packs 8 grams of protein and tons of key bloat-reducing nutrients. It's got nearly all of what you need daily for vitamin C, plus magnesium, potassium, and iron, all of which aid in counterbalancing sodium and bringing oxygen to blood cells. Number 5. Tuna. It doesn't get any better than fish when it comes to healthy protein, especially tuna, salmon, and sardines. They're filled with important omega-3s and lean protein, helping you fill up and curb cravings. Number 6. Salmon. The polyunsaturated fatty acids plus minerals in salmon make it an ideal dinner choice. The vitamin D found in each fillet is linked with lowering your risk of chronic disease, and you'll also get 25% of your daily vitamin B6, which can help with mood and stress regulation. Number 7. Potatoes. Baked potatoes are an excellent source of potassium, which can help beat the bloat and counterbalance sodium. Since they've got filling fiber, spuds also help you stay fuller, longer. Avoid the deep fryer, though. Potatoes are a nutrient-dense food, as long as they're not served the French fry way. Number 8. Seeds. Mineral-packed seeds, especially sunflower and pumpkin, provide lots of immune-boosting zinc and seriously fill you up. The hearty combo of plant-based protein and fiber can stave off hunger pangs later on. Number 9. Fermented foods. Fermented foods like miso, tempeh, and sauerkraut contain probiotics, aka friendly bacteria that help boost immunity, regulate gut function, and banish bloat. Unsweetened plain Greek yogurt and skyr can provide probiotic benefits too. Choose ones that have 5 strains or more of bacterial cultures per 6-ounce serving. Number 10. Oats. Probiotics introduce useful bacteria to your system, but the prebiotics in oats feed the good bacteria already living there, helping it proliferate. Number 11. Nuts. Almonds, peanuts, walnuts, pistachios etc. We're nuts about nuts. People who snack on nuts may have lower abdominal fat than those who munch on carb-based treats, according to a 2015 study in the Journal of the American Heart Association. Nuts are rich in monounsaturated fats, a heart-healthy and more satisfying pick than their grain-based counterparts. Number 12. Berries. Berries are packed with fiber, up to 9 grams a cup, and antioxidants but contain less sugar than most fruits. That combo makes them a satisfying and healthy choice.